everyone, it's Gabrielle Peterson telling you about the National School Lunch Program Feeding the Children of America. This presentation was made for a field-based activity 2 from the Trend 3. The percentage of American children living in the families with incomes below the poverty line has increased continuously. Nearly 1 in 5 children are poor today. The activity for this assignment was examine the National Lunch Program, its impact on assisting students from poverty to overcome academic barriers. Explain how the information gathered in this field-based activity may be helpful to you as a classroom teacher to treat students equally and respect their culture and family differences. What is the National School Lunch Program? The National School Lunch Program is the nation's second largest food and nutritional assistance program. This program allows school children to receive a healthy lunch every school day. Almost 95% of schools participate in the program, providing more than 30 million children with lunches on an average day. The National School Lunch Program states that nearly 22 million low-income children participated in the program during the 2017 to 2018 school year. While speaking with my field educator for this assignment, she said that she is seeing a positive effect on students in schools where children are from low-income areas because of the food programs being offered. Students cannot concentrate on schoolwork if their basic needs are not being met. She claimed that there are over 10 million students nationwide who eat a school-prepared breakfast and even more who eat school-prepared lunches. I decided to fact-check her claim and found the following information. There are more than 14.6 million students who eat a school breakfast and 29.7 million students who eat a school lunch on a typical school day during the 2018 to 2019 school year. Most of the students who receive a school lunch is because there is a food shortage at home. My field educator continued to say how the school meals provided the students with a nutritious meal. Students are receiving fruits and vegetables and milk because of the school breakfast and lunches. She claimed that because of the breakfast and lunch program, students are performing better in the classroom. Teachers are seeing improved attendance, behavior and academic performances, and even academic achievement. I believe in the National School Lunch Program. I believe that it is helping children who are being raised in poverty to be more prepared in school because it is helping to meet their basic needs. Students are coming to school because the breakfast and lunch provided by the school may be the only source of food that they have for the entire day. The information that I have been given also strengthens my belief that giving students a snack to take home with them each day, especially on Fridays for the weekend, is extremely important. It strengthens my belief that all students should be treated with the same respect, no matter their socioeconomic status or their culture from which they are being raised. All children are equal, and they can achieve their goals if their basic needs are met. This program helps to meet the basic needs for all of the students by providing free or reduced meals for children of poverty. This information may also help other educators to see the importance of this program to children who are living in poverty. My question for all of you is, as educators, how will this information given to you through this presentation help you to help the children in your classroom? All of the information that I got from the National School Program for lunches was given to me by the website of the National School Lunch Program, and also an article that was on the website that was titled "School Meals Are Essential for Student Health and Learning." I hope this presentation helped you to see the importance of this national program for the children who are lacking the food at home to meet their basic needs. Thank you for listening.